scar speaking, every wound has a name. But I'm learning I'm more than the hurt and the pain. I breathe in hope like morning air. I let go of what I cannot repair. What broke me once will not define the soul that's learning how to shine. It heals when truth is let inside. So I lay my armor on the ground. I don't need walls to feel safe now. What I feel is not my end. It's the place where life begins. I call my spirit back home tonight. From every shadow, from every fight, I forgive the past, I loosen the chain. I choose my healing, I choose my flame. Still I rise, still I stand. Held by grace, I understand. I am whole, I am alive. I am love and I survive. If my knees are weak, I'll still believe there's mercy in every breath I breathe. What was lost is finding me in the quiet. I am free. I am not broken. I was become.